Here we are, babe. This is the place. My favorite place to skate. I love skating. Are you kidding? I've been skating since I was 4 years old. My family signed me up to take skating lessons. I had so much fun. I used to go every Sunday for an hour, even though at the age of 9 I stopped with the lessons because I was told I was too old for the group. I still continued my skating just for fun. You can say it's my favorite winter activity. It's part of my Canadian culture. Wait, you never skated either? Ah, roller skating, but not ice skating. Well, why don't I teach you? Yes, I'm serious, babe. I will love to teach you. I even brought you a pair of skates. Don't worry, money is on me. Here, let me help you put on the skates. No problem, babe. Alright, babe, take my hand. Yes, take my hand, and take one step at a time. Follow me as I lead us onto the ice. Don't be scared. I got you. It's okay. I won't let you fall. I promise. So what you're going to do is push with your foot and glide onto the ice. Yes, that's it. There you go, babe. You're getting the hang of it. Yes, keep doing that. And yes, you can keep holding my hand. You having fun, my love? That's great. I'm happy to hear. Oh, careful, babe. I got you. That was close. Are you good? Okay, good. Yeah, we can keep skating for a little longer if that's what you want, babe. Maybe after we can get some hot chocolate and go home and snuggle under a blanket and watch a movie or something. Is that something you would like? Great. Hey, before we continue skating, come here. I love you. Come on, let's skate, my love.